Hello everyone, my name is Tanisha Sharma. Today I will show you presentation on the topic is Xiaomi, a leading Chinese technology giant. This presentation about how Xiaomi broke out of China to go global. Let's start. About company. Xiaomi is a multinational company from China founded in 2010 by Li Jun and his team. The company is widely recognized for its smartphone. It began as a software company and quickly evolved into one of the world's leading technology brands. The headquarter location, Beijing, China. Moving to next slide, Mr. Li Jun. Now talking about the founder of Xiaomi, Mr. Li Jun. He was born in 1969 in a small village, China. His parents were school teachers, so the family income just average. But from childhood, Li Jun had a deep interest in electronics. Once he even created a electric lamp using old battery and wooden box because in his place electricity was not stable. In 1991, he graduated in computer science and joined Kingsoft, a software company where he later became the CEO. Due to health issue, he stepped down, but his vision was always to create something else that could change the world. Then he built Joyo.com e-commerce platform that was later acquired by Amazon. The story behind the Xiaomi name inspired by a concept of Buddhism which means small rice grain. It meaning vision should be big even if it start is small. Xiaomi just a smartphone? No, Xiaomi is just not a smartphone brand. It is a global technology leader known for its diverse range for smartphone and innovative product. Beyond smartphone, Xiaomi offer many things like a smart TV, laptop, virtual reality, smart watches, audio devices, home appliance like air purifier, robot vacuum, security camera. Also offer lifestyle product including backpack, electric scooter and more. Artificial intelligence of thing device also offered to connecting home through voice assistant and automation. With a focus on innovation, affordability and quality, Xiaomi continue to expand its product ecosystem across global market. Xiaomi in India. Xiaomi entered the Indian market in 2014 with the launch of its first smartphone Mi 3, which was sold through the Flipkart. The company quickly built a strong presence by offering budget-friendly smartphone with a premium features. Mainly the under Redmi and Redmi Note series were also launched after the success of Mi 3. Mr. Manu Kumar Jain was Xiaomi first employee in India, hired in 2014 to lead the company into the Indian market as a general manager of Xiaomi India. Here's the model of Xiaomi Mi 3. 5-inch full HD display, 2 GB RAM, 30 megapixel camera, Snapdragon 800 processor. Xiaomi legacy. In 2010, founded by Li Jun and his partners in Beijing, China as a software company. 2011 to 2014 launched first smartphone Mi series and gained popularity in China, also called a China Apple, with affordable price, high performance device. 2014 to 2017 expand into international market, India, Southeast Asia, Europe. 2017 to present, diversified into IoT ecosystem and become a global leader in smartphone and smart technology. Now you can see this market share. Xiaomi the leading at this time and defeat all smartphone company like Samsung, Vivo, Oppo. You can see Xiaomi 26.80%, Samsung 24.20%, Vivo 9.40%, Motorola 8.50%, Oppo 7.60%, and others 23.30%. Xiaomi become Why Xiaomi become number one in 2014? Because the aggressive pricing with good specs. That time Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 lead the sale. Strong online sale through Flipkart and Amazon. High focus on Indian market. Local manufacturing under the Made in India. What challenges does face Xiaomi? First, tough competition. Samsung, Vivo, Realme. Low profit margin, budget pricing. Weak in premium struggle to compete with the Apple and Samsung. Regulatory issue face tax problem, tension due to China-Indian relation, limited offline reach, strong online but weak offline. Because that time Oppo, Vivo give the 30 to 40% margin, then Xiaomi only give 7% margin. So that the reason Xiaomi is weak in offline retailer. Supply chain, privacy concern over ads worldwide. To overcome these challenges, Xiaomi is innovation, invest in R&D, launch new smart device and affordable price, local production, manufacture in India, reduce cost, build trust, customer focus, expand services center, offer faster repair, better support, market expansion, stand offline and online sale network, brand upgrade, shift from budget phone to premium segment, sustainability, focus on eco-friendly packaging, energy saving tech and recycling program. Now at the end about the conclusion. Xiaomi journey from a small startup in 2010 to a global tech giant today. The story is innovation, affordability, smart market strategy. It focus on a both smartphone and lifestyle product. Has made one of the most popular tech brand worldwide. Its brand philosophy is innovation for everyone. Thank you for listening.